In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the time tracking feature in Wrike to ensure you manage your projects with efficiency and accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to explore Wrike's functionalities, knowing how to track time is crucial for maintaining productivity and transparency within your team. Now, before you dive into tracking every minute of your workflow, it's critical to ensure that time tracking is indeed available in your Wrike account. For most Wrike accounts, this feature is enabled by default. However, if you don't notice the option, there are some simple steps you can follow to activate it. First, you'll need to open your Wrike dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where your profile picture is located. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, navigate to Settings. Here you'll find Account Management. Click on it and then ensure that time tracking is checked and activated. If you find that this option is not available to you, it might require an admin to activate it for the entire workspace, so be sure to reach out to your workspace admin for assistance. With your time tracking activated and ready to go, let's explore how to start the time tracker using a task timer. This is a fantastic method if you prefer real-time tracking and want an easy way to manage your time while working on specific tasks. Begin by opening the task you wish to track. As you do this, locate the time tracker or the start timer button. It usually appears as a clock icon on the task interface. A simple click on this button instantly starts the timer. Now that it's running, you can proceed with your work on the task, keeping focused and organized as the timer ticks away. As you complete your work on this particular task, you'll want to ensure your time is accurately logged. Once you've finished, click the Stop Timer button. This will halt the tracker and prompt Wrike to automatically log the time you've spent on the task. It's a seamless process that captures all your hard work and ensures every minute is accounted for in your project timeline. By leveraging Wrike's time tracking capabilities, you keep your projects on schedule and enhance accountability within your team. Whether tracking your progress or managing team output, it provides a holistic view of how time is spent and identifies potential areas for improvement. Remember, keeping track of time not only helps with project management, but also empowers you and your team to work more effectively.